Devintelle Gym Management System. Manage gym operation effortlessly with our gym management in Odoo app and all data in one place. Create membership and auto-generate invoice for gym member. Add trainers, assign member and manage workout and diet plans. Create and assign workout and diet plans with just one click. Track member activities, workout logs and attendance quickly. Members can view, print or download their plans for the portal. Generate reports on members, trainers, workout and attendance easily. Send rating emails to member and collect feedback for trainers. Members, trainer and managers can access only their allowed data. Ready to transfer your gym? Contact us today at 87805 43446 or email at odoomodules@devintelle.com.